Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this over-the-ear headphones that this brand sent to me for the video. And I have to say that after trying it, I do have something to say about this one that comes with a really powerful bass line. So that's something that I was not super aware of it. But then you have the noise canceling. So when you activate that, you're going to have a really nice experience. Like the sound quality is super good, but also the bass line is really strong. I also like the fact that it comes with this really nice kind of like foam for the ear cups. I'm going to show them to you in a close-up in a few seconds. You can fold them if you want as well for easy transportation. And it also comes with this right here, so you can feel not too much restraint in your forehead when you put them there. On is this one right here, and I'm screaming right now because the noise canceling in this one is pretty good. But I do like that fact over here that you can actually connect it super nice. This is gonna give you the USB-C cable for charging purposes. By the way, this one has a playtime of 75 to 100 hours of playtime, so that's actually pretty good. And you're also gonna find the 3.5 jack to 3.5 jack in case that you want to use it wired mode. This one right here, instruction manuals, you're not gonna need it. Super easy to find and pair with your phone, and then everything else comes explained right there with the buttons on the headphones. And also a really nice carry-on bag. You can actually fold it and put it in here. I'm gonna connect it to my phone back again, and let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, pretty soft ear caps over here. You can see how soft these ones are, really soft. The same thing happened right here on the over the head. You can see that it's super soft as well. You can fold them super easy over here, and then right here you're gonna find the active noise canceling. You can set it on and off. Right now it's on. The 3.5 jack, the USB-C for charging purposes, and this is for also managing the volume up and down, turning it on and off. And you can actually use this one for managing calls as well, so that's really good. But then let's actually connect it to my phone. So these ones are on right now, and I put my microphone over there so you can hear a little bit just of it. As I was telling you before, I was really surprised about the bass lines of this one. They're also super comfy. You can just adjust them if you want as well, so that's really important. But you can see that these are super comfy, easy to use with a really nice runtime, the playtime, and of course comes with other accessories. But the bass line at this one is the best feature for sure. I like them. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.